Now we use K518 Pro to program 2015 Hyundai New Santa Fe's smart key. Now I have two keys. This is the original car key with leather case. This is our new key. Now we add this new key to the car. Operate by K518 Pro. Choose IMO and remote, Hyundai. Now first step. Let's read pin code first. Read the pin. This car has a 46 chip, but we are going to use 47 menu. To read this pin code, turn off the ignition. Open the main driver's door once. Okay, ignition is off. Open the main driving door, then close the door. These operations are intended to keep the car in an active state. Continue. OK, pin code has been read successfully. Click OK. Now let's move on to the next step. Select from vehicle. You don't need to remember the pin code, because our pin code will be automatically filled in. Select China, find New Santa FEMDC. This car is the 2015 version. Select after 2012. Select Smart Key Programming. Program Smart Key. All keys need to be programmed. Unprogrammed key cannot start the car. Click OK. So when we program, the original car key must also be programmed. Click OK. Press the Start button. Confirm. Turn off the ignition. OK, let's turn off the ignition. We need to press the Start button twice. Open and close the driver door once. Click OK. Pin code has been automatically filled in. OK. Please confirm pin code. Please prepare the keys to be programmed. After pressing OK, press the Start button with the key within 5 seconds and wait for the anti-theft light to flash. OK, let's use this original car key first. Press the Start button for 5 seconds. Key programming success. Whether to program the next key? Select Yes. Please prepare the smart key to be programmed. Click OK. Press the Start button with the key within 5 seconds. Wait for the immobilizer light to flash. Click OK. Same process. We press Start button. Here the sign flashes. OK, the program is successful. Whether to program the next key? Cancel. Program completed successfully. The count of the programmed keys is 2. Now let's try whether the remote control operate normally. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. OK, the remote control is normal. Now let's start the car. As you can see, the airbag has exploded, so we won't start the engine. We will show you only ignition on the car with these programmed keys. Now we take the original car key out of the car. Just leave the new key inside. Press the Start button. Double click. OK. The ignition on, so the car start good. Turn off the ignition. Let's take out this new key. Bring in the original car key. OK. Similarly, we press the Start button. The dashboard lights up. Remote control works well. 2 keys. All have been programmed successfully. K518 Pro adding key program for 2015 Hyundai Santa Fe Smart Key has been completed successfully.